Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be doing another squishy tutorial and I'm going to be showing you how to make this really cute plum squishy. And this is also a collab with Kawaiii Onion, and for this collab we decided to make squishy tutorials of our favourite fruit, and for her video she's going to be showing you how to make a grape squishy. So once you're done watching my video, please go and watch her video, and also please go and subscribe to her channel. I will link them both in the description below. And my top favourite fruit is obviously bananas, because my channel name is Cute Banana 344, but I have already made a few banana squishy tutorials, so I decided to make my second favourite fruit, which is a plum. And also I don't think anyone has ever made a plum squishy before, so I thought this would be a good idea. And also thank you so much Kawaiii Onion for collaborating with me, and yeah, let's just get started. So first I started off by tracing the template onto the foam, and you can make it as big or as small as you want. And I just found this template on Google, and as you can see I made it slightly bigger. So I will try to link this template down below in the description box so you can use it if you want to. So next you want to start cutting this out. So here's what it looks like so far. And you basically just want to keep trimming it until it looks kind of the same on both sides. And sorry about the the pen on my fingers, but anyways, next what you want to do is you want to start rounding off the shape. So you just want to start making curved cuts just like this. And you just want to make it just a little bit less thick. And you also want to do that for the other side as well. And then you just want to start rounding off the top by just cutting in a circular motion like this. And again, you just want to continue just to smooth it out. So I'm just going to finish that. So here's what the final shape turned out to look like. And I actually ended up making it a little bit smaller. And basically what I did was I just kept making curved cuts and just snipping away small pieces of the foam until it made kind of like a smooth like ball shape. And then what I did was I cut a line just going down the centre of the squishy. You can see that. yeah, hopefully you can see that. And you just want to do that going all the way down the centre and then just halfway down the bottom like so. And you also want to do that for the top. And you also want to cut a hole at the top as well, because that's where the stalk or the stem is going to go later. So now I'm going to start painting it. So next what I did was I painted the squishy, and I just mixed some purple, pink and red paint together, and I just painted the whole thing. And I think it looks pretty good. So now we can move on to the next. So now this step is completely optional, but what I did was I took some string like this and I just cut off about this much for the stem. So you just need about this much, you don't need too much string. And then for the leaf I took some dark green felt and I just cut out a small little leaf shape like this. Oops. So just basically a little teardrop shape. So you don't have to do this again if you don't want to, but this is just what I decided to do for mine. So now we can move on to the next step. So now this part is also optional, but you can choose to paint on a cute little face onto your squishy. And for that I just used my black and white puffy paint for the face, and I used light pink puffy paint for the blush. And you can do whatever kind of face you want. And I just placed it in my paint palette so that it wouldn't fall over whilst it was drying. And I also placed a paintbrush behind it as well, so it would be a little bit more secure. And then I painted the stem brown, and I also added detail to the leaf using dark green puffy paint. So now I'm just going to let this all dry and then we can move on to the final step. So lastly what I did was I glued on the stem and the leaf on top of the squishy. And again, that part is just completely optional. You do not have to add a stem and a leaf if you don't want to. And I think this came out really adorable, and I really like its face. I think it's so cute. and it is pretty squishy. So I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and as always, please feel free to request more squishy tutorials or video ideas you'd like me to do in the comments below. And also again, please don't forget to go and watch Kawaiii Onion's video, and please subscribe to her channel. Again, I will have those linked in the description below. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and bye bye.